What is up guys, Stanley this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add payment methods and billing in Facebook ads. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Facebook. After that, you will be redirected to the dashboard of Facebook wherein you have two options to sign in and log in. So if you are new to Facebook, simply sign up with your email and password and other credentials to create your Facebook account. But if you already have a Facebook account, just simply log in with that account. And after signing up or logging in, you will be redirected to this home page of Facebook. Now, from here on the right side at the top, you can see this waffle like icon, which is the menu. Click on this and then click on Add. After clicking on the Add section, you can see the payment settings and the payment activity. Uh, where will you open this tab from? On the left side, when you hover here, you will see the billings and payment section. Click on this once and then this page will open. From here on the payment methods, as you can see the option of add payment method. Click on this and then enter your location like your country, currency and your time zone. And after that, when you click on next, just simply add your business location and currency, and you can even edit it. And you need to enter the business and tax info, but it is optional. You can add it or not. It's completely up to you. And after that, you need to add a payment method like credit or debit card, UPI, or net banking. And if you have an add credit to claim, you need to check this checkbox to claim it. And when you are done, simply click on next. And after that, enter the details of your payment method. And when you are done, just simply click on save and then your payment method will be saved. So this is how you can add payment methods in Facebook ads. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.